Hello friends, today we will solve some numerical questions of sample survey. So let's start question number 1 of sample survey. So here in question number 1, the average outstanding balance of a loan issued by a bank varies from month to month from the past experience. It is known that the amount are normally distributed with standard deviation. Here standard deviation 5000. The bank wishes to estimate the average by drawing a random sample such that the probability is 0.95 that the mean of the sample will not deviated by more than 600 from the population mean. What should be sample size? We have to find sample size. Solution given हाम्रो के छ given यहाँ हेरौँ. Here standard deviation is 5000. Standard deviation is 5000 and probability is here 0.95. It means here हाम्रो probability जुन ट्रु छ सक्सेस जुन छ हाम्रो 0.95 हाम्रो यसमा लेभल अफ सिग्निफिकेन्स भनेको कति हुन जान्छ त 0.05. यहाँ हाम्रो level of confidence दिएको छ हाम्रो 0.95 which is equal to 95% and the level of significance will be 5%. So level of significance alpha is equal to 5%. Here margin error is 600. Margin error is 600, that is D is equal to 600. We have to calculate sample size. Yes, sample size n is equal to what? We have sample size n is equal to standard deviation in Z alpha by 2 divided by D whole square. Here Z alpha by 2 at 5% level of significance means Z alpha by 2 value कति हुन्छ त हामीले अघि नै हेरिसक्यो सेकेन्ड पार्टमा हामी यो निकाल्नलाई सिकाएको थिए. Z alpha by 2 हामी कसरी निकाल्छ त Z स्कोर भनेको हामी अब कसरी निकाल्ने हो त्यो हामी अघि पार्ट 2 भिडियोमा हामी हेरिसक्यो. त्यही भएर म अब यहाँ म डाइरेक्ट लेख्छु है. यो 5% लेभल अफ सिग्निफिकेन्स भनेको त्यसमा हाम्रो Z alpha by 2 को भ्यालु Z स्कोर भनेको 1.96 हुन जान्छ हो. अब हामी यहाँ भ्यालुहरु पुट गरौँ. D भनेको स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन भनेको हाम्रो कति छ त सिग्मा 5000 इन्टु here 1.96 divided by D हाम्रो 600 होल स्क्वायर. यो सबै सोल्भ गरौँ. यो सबै सोल्भ गरेर हाम्रो 2.266.77 आएको छ. That is equivalent to 267. त्यसरी यो क्वेसनको हाम्रो एन्सर कति भयो त 267 द सैंपल साइज इज 267 अर्को क्वेसन नम्बर 2 तिर लागौ अब अनि क्वेसन नम्बर 2 मा के दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि इन मेजरिङ रिलेसन टाइम a psychologist estimates that the standard deviation is 0.95. Here psychologist estimates that the standard deviation is 0.95. Second, how large a sample of measurements must be taken in order to be 95% confident level हाम्रो 95% that the error his estimate of mean will not exceed margin of error 0.01. Second, हाम्रो psychologist estimates that the standard deviation के को standard deviation दिएको छ त sample को त्यही भएर sample standard deviation of sample solution गरौँ standard deviation of sample that is S is equal to 0.95. Alpha, your confidence level is 95%, that is level of significance is 5%. We have already discussed about this. यहाँ हाम्रो अल्फा भनेको लेभल अफ सिग्निफिकेन्स अल्फा इज इक्वल टु 5%. And margin of error is 0.01. Margin of error, that is D is equal to 0.01. Margin of error 0.01. Sample of measurement must be taken. Sample size n is equal to 5. We have n is equal to S Z alpha by 2 divided by D whole square. अब यहाँ लेभल अफ सिग्निफिकेन्स अल्फा भ्यालु भनेको 5% छ. अब यसमा हाम्रो भ्यालु अफ जेड कति हुन जान्छ त 1.96. हामी अगाडि नै हेरिसकेको छ हामी कसरी निकाल्छौ त जेड अल्फा है हो. त्यही भएर हामी यहाँ अब डाइरेक्ट लेखौँ है. अब यहाँ यस भनेको कति त यस भनेको 0.95 इन्टु जेड अल्फा बाई 2 that is 1.96 divided by 0.01 whole square. Calculate this. यसलाई क्याल्कुलेट गर्यो भने हाम्रो भ्यालु कति आउँछ त 3.467 divided by 0.0001 is equal to 34670, near about 34670. Therefore the sample size n is equal to 34,670. This is our answer. अब हामी नेक्स्ट क्वेशन तर्फ लाग्यो क्वेशन नम्बर 3. अब यहाँ क्वेशन नम्बर 3 मा हाम्रो के छ for p is equal to 0.2 d is equal to 0.05 and z alpha by 2 is equal to 2. फाइन्ड n हामीले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु छ त n also find n if n is equal to 1000 यसको लागि हामीले के थाहा छ त here we have to find out sample size given p is equal to 0.2 then q is equal to 1 minus p that is 1 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.8 d is equal to 0.05 z alpha by 2 is equal to z square is equal to 2 then we have sample size n is equal to pq z alpha by 2 square by d square. Yet the value of p is 0.2 into q is 0.8 and the value of z alpha is 2 that is 2 square divided by value of d is here 0.05 square. This is 0.64 divided by 0.0025. This is equal to 256. This is our answer. So the simple side, the value of n is equal to here 256. Another question is also find n if capital N is equal to 1000. Again we know sample size is equal to n divided by 1 plus small n divided by capital N. Here in the value of small n, that is sample size 256 and the value of capital N is here 1000. Now put the value of small n and capital N here. Two 56 divided by 1 plus 256 divided by here the value of capital N is 1000. Two 56,000 plus 256 that is 1256 1000 the LCM is 1000 and 1000 plus 256 is equal to 1256 and that this 1000 will be multiplied in numerator. 1000 यहाँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा अब यो हाम्रो कति हुन जान्छ त सोल्भ गरौँ. यो हाम्रो लगभग 203.8 that is equivalent to 204. हाम्रो sample size n भनेको कति हुन गयो त 204 when capital N is 1000. Now this is our complete answer. Again solve another type of questions of these chapters. Here in question number 4, a researcher wants to conduct a survey of disabled at Kathmandu Valley. What should be the sample size of the period estimate of population of disables in the population is 10%. Disables in the population is here 10%. And the desired error is estimation. The desired error estimation is 2%. And level of significance is 5%. Also determine sample size if population size is population size, that is capital N, is 1000. Solution: we have to calculate sample size small n. Sample proportion हाम्रो कति दिएको छ त यहाँ 10%. के भनेको sample size of the period estimate of population of disables in the population is 10%. यो भनेको हाम्रो sample proportion दिएको छ. Proportion of sample हाम्रो कति दियो, small p is equal to 10% दिएको छ. Sample proportion %. It is equal to 0.1. Q. Here Q is equal to, we know Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus P 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Here error estimation is 2%. That is error, margin of error कति दियो हाम्रो, error D is equal to 2%. 2% भन्नाले यहाँ हाम्रो 0.02. Level of significance alpha, here alpha is equal to 5%. Level of significance alpha is equal to 5%. Then the value of Z is equal to 1.96. यहाँ हाम्रो level of significance 5 भएको बेलामा Z value हाम्रो कति हुन्छ त 1.96 हुन्छ. Now we have a formula for sample size, that is N is equal to, we have N is equal to PQZ square alpha 2 divided by D square. P is 0.1 into 0.9 into 1.96 square divided by, here the value of D is 0.02 square. यसलाई क्याल्कुलेट गर्यो भने हाम्रो कति दिन्छ त, नियरली 864.36, which is equivalent to 865. equivalent to 864. So the sample size n is equal to 864. For next questions, also determine the sample size if population size is 1000. Here capital N is equal to, here capital N is equal to 1000 दिएको छ हाम्रो. स्मल n भनेको 864 भइसक्यो. नाउ hence required sample size is 864. When n is equal to 1000, then sample size again n is equal to n divided by 1 plus n by capital N. That is equal to small n is equal to 864 divided by 1 plus 864 divided by 1000. Eight 64 into 1000 divided by 1864. The LCM is 1000 and 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 and plus 864, 1864, and this 1000 will be multiplied in numerator, that is 864 into 1000 divided by 1864. Now divide this. 463.51 is equivalent to 464. This is our answer. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to share my video and hit the bell icon for my next video. Till then, bye.